Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate an exercise for lower back mobility. If you look at this diagram here, if you lay on your back, here's your curvature in the neck, curvature in the upper back, curvature in the lower back, and these are the buttocks muscle here. On your leg, it's out this way. That's your knee right here. Okay? I want you to imagine that you're going to flatten the lower back by pressing it into the floor. So you're moving from a curved position really more into a straight position. Okay? So that is the maneuver that you want to do. So think about that. So here's how we will go about it. Lay down on your back. Yeah. So just for reference, put your hand in the small of the back or the curvature of the back. Okay? And then you're going to, again, press that lower back down into the mat. So I should feel my lower back squeezing my hand into the mat. And release. Lower back pressing the hand into the mat. And release. So I don't need to have the hand there all the time. If I'm comfortable with the movement now, hands are to the side, press the lower back into the mat and release. Lower back into that mat and release. Okay, you do this for the recommended amount of repetitions as given to you by your therapist.